A seemingly innocent feline, carrying with it a shadow of the past, the bubonic plague. For the first time in 8 years, a human case of plague surfaces in Oregon, likely transmitted by this pet cat. The plague, primarily spread through flea bites carrying Yersinia pestis, has found a sporadic home in Central Oregon. The infected individual has responded well to antibiotic treatment, a testament to modern medicine. Bubonic plague, the most common form, is treatable with antibiotics. However, untreated cases can escalate to septicemic or pneumonic plague, more severe and potentially fatal. Fear not, the risk of widespread transmission in Deschutes County is deemed low, so keep your pets on leashes, use flea control products, and avoid contact with rodents.